Very good morning to you and welcome to the ASX at Breakfast. I'm Rachel, live from Kalkine Studios in Sydney. Now, Australian shares are likely to open in the green this morning, and that's despite Wall Street's poor closing in overnight trade. According to the experts, market sentiments may remain weak on concerns related with aggressive global interest rate hikes, along with a possible decline in mining shares on muted underlying prices. According to the latest ASX futures, the ASX 200 may open 16 points higher. That's 0.2% higher. Yesterday, the benchmark index closed 1.5% lower at 6,965 points. Looking to some business news from this morning now, an IGO report revenue for the year ending in June of $903 million. That generated record underlying EBITDA of $717 million and net profit after tax of $331 million. This was underscored by strong metal prices and also IGO's investment in the lithium joint venture. Nova nickel production was within guidance at 26,675 tonnes, and cash costs were better than guided at $1.95 per payable pound of nickel. The 2022 financial year concluded with the strategic acquisition of Western Areas. And infant nutrition and dairy specialist Bubs Australia posted gross revenue more than doubled to a record $104.3 million in financial year 2022, with a 32% increase in gross margins. This was mainly due to growth in China and also an accelerated entry into the US. In the last quarter, the company did accelerate access to the United States with the Biden-Harris administration's Operation Fly Formula, sending much-needed baby formula during a US shortage. Bubs also experienced strong momentum across their China business. And Gold Road, which owns 50% of the world-class Gruyere gold mine, which was developed in a joint venture with Gold Fields, report that Gruyere is on track for production guidance of 300,000 to 340,000 ounces and set to achieve 350,000 ounces sustainably by 2023. Net profit for the half year increased to $39.9 million from $19.1 million, and revenue from gold sales was a record $196.5 million. It declared an interim dividend of 1 cent a share, fully franked, to be paid on the 4th of October. Now, there are lots of companies reporting their financial results today, including Woodside, Sandfire and Healius. Stay tuned to Kalkine for all the latest financial results. Now it's time for a very short break, but stay tuned for more news set to affect your trading day.
If you're looking to keep abreast of the biggest stories from the crypto world, the fate of exchanges and crypto hedge funds during the ongoing bear market, and you're wanting to keep up to date with the best and worst performers in the altcoin space and that of flagship currencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, then Kalkine Media's Daily Crypto Catch is absolutely essential viewing for you. Tune in each afternoon right here on Kalkine Media to get the latest scoop from anchor to zero coin.
And welcome back to the ASX at Breakfast report. Yesterday, global stocks declined amid rising risk of more aggressive US and European interest rate hikes. And that inflicted more pain on the debt markets. It also resulted in pushing the US dollar to new 20-year highs. On Wall Street, the Dow Jones declined 0.6%, the S&P 500 dipped 0.7%, the Nasdaq ended 1% lower. In Europe, the Stoxx 50 fell 0.9%, the CAC dropped 0.8%, and the DAX slipped 0.6%. Yesterday, oil prices rose over 4% as potential OPEC Plus output cuts and conflict in Libya helped to counter a strong US dollar. Brent crude finished 4.1% higher at $105.09 a barrel. WTI crude rose 4.2% to $97.01. Gold prices rose. That was recovering from a one-month low as a dollar rally lost its steam. Spot gold was steady at $1,737 an ounce. Well, that's all for our ASX at Breakfast reporter here this morning on Kalkine TV. Have a great day trading and stay tuned for more market updates and economic news live throughout the day. I'm Rachel, signing off for now.